Hey, Karina.
Perris?
Detective Harris from the City of Perris?
Where am I?
What are you doing here?
Where am I?
At Mercado Park,
Ah,
located on 10th and D Street. We're standing on the splash pad right now. Our current hours are Monday through Friday from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Parents can just sit and relax as they watch the kids have fun. If the kids don't want to get wet, they can have fun here at the playground. For ages 2 to 5 and 5 to 12.
what? Oh no, not again.
Where'd he go? Aliens.